Drake. Won't beef, I put the bread on the burger. I ain't scared, plenty bitches try to threat, but they ain't heard the land of the 410, home of the murder. I'm working till I'm in that foreign thing, swerving, bitch, I'm the main attraction, ain't no time to close.
What's good, love bugs? Welcome to the channel, or welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. If you aren't, though, I'd love you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell right there next to it so you don't miss a post. Now, like I said, if you're new, I'm Jelani. Welcome. So today I'm going to be doing my lip scrub that I do. I don't do this like every day. I do this maybe like once a week, maybe twice a week. I don't know why. And when I say that, I mean like that's like one day, like a morning time and a nighttime type thing. But yeah, I make this scrub and it's so simple, so easy. And I love it. It really like makes my lips so soft. Don't mind my nails. I be practicing nails. Y'all probably will see some videos on my nails when I'm a little more confident, when like I have the space, like I can record it, like I know how I want to record it. Y'all will see nail videos. But yeah, that's what I be doing. I would just do one hand and I just do the other hand like this. But so I'm gonna be showing y'all my scrub, and it's so easy. Leaves your lips so freaking soft. I don't know, I've been doing this for so long, like since we were back at our old apartment. I don't know if you guys remember that, but yeah, since we was back at our old apartment, that's when I started doing this. And so y'all, let me show y'all. Let's get straight into this video. Make sure you like, make sure you comment what other videos you guys would like to see, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell before you start this video. Okay, let's get straight into it. So all you're going to need is some honey, some brown sugar, some coconut oil, a teaspoon, and a clean container. I'm using a teaspoon, but you can use a tablespoon if you're going to make more. Now, there's no correct order to put this in. You're really just going to put every ingredient inside the container and then mix it up. That's literally all you do. And then apply it to your lips. You exfoliate for about 60 seconds and then leave it on as long as you like until you feel it, and then that's it. You wipe it off and go on about your day. I like to put on lip balm after though. If you guys found this useful, or if you just liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a post. And that's it, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out.
And Ray gon' run the money up, ain't no bluffing. Ain't my whole team really coming up, ain't no bluffing. Number one, only no runner up, no discussion. Bitch, I'm really with the streets.